my god, guys, look what I found. I found this outside on the floor, and there was a note on it, and I accidentally threw it away, and I don't know what happened to it. But the note said something like this is for you, and I don't know why, but found these taped to it. I'm gonna try to pick it. I'm not really good at picking, so let's go ahead and try to pick this, guys. Hopefully you guys can see this on camera. Wait, yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to pick it. What's this for? Oh, yeah, this goes in at the bottom. Sorry if it went up, guys, that was me. And then this goes at the bottom.
I need to test before I break them to see what I need to do next. Hold on a second, what is that?
Seems quite impossible, guys.
Do you see it? It's the flowers that like the moon piece. And down here too. That's so weird. But kind of cool at the same time. Ooh, can we make it down here?
Well, guys, the phone.
There a door there earlier. Kind of goes all the way around. Let's see what's up here.
That's quite impossible, guys.
Oh, is this a moon? Is this a moon? It's a moon.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to speed it up for you guys. I'm gonna put this on the floor. And, yeah, guys, hold on.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-choo-choo.
Oh my god, guys, it literally just opened it. Oh, dude. What's this? You found jackpot. Use wisely, please. One offer time. Whoa. Here's the tools I used. Great. I accidentally took it out. Whoops. Yeah. Anyway, guys, found some flirt. Found some ammo clips. Oh, this bullet looks like it fell out. Put back in right away. But guys, found another ammo clip. Found some $10, $12. This doesn't look like it's kid appropriate, but yeah, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to the video as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye!